Welcome you. In this video you learn operating system services. You can Google it or search from textbook operating system services. You have the result. An operating system provides services to both the users and to the programs. It provides program and environment to execute. It provides user the service to execute the program in a convenient manner. The point number 1, the operating system to serve it to whom. The point number 2, the operating system how to serve it service. In previous video, the real-time example, businessman, car and driver. The same example here, the a little change. Driver know the mechanical work, so he become a mechanic come driver. Okay, here again once again I read the sentence. An operating system provides the service to both the user and to the programs. Here programs means the car have number of parts, number of spare parts become a car. Okay, each and every part is a program. Okay, the driver know how to handle the car and how to repair the car. Okay, and also how to service provide to the boss. The same thing, an operating system provides the service to both user and to the programs. The following are a few common services provided by an operating system: program execution, I/O operation, file system manipulation, communication, error reduction, resource allocation and protection. In these above services, how the operating system allow and how to operating system manage. The beginning we saw the 2 points. The second point, how they fulfill the service. The same thing. In this above points, the operating system provide the service to the user and to the program. I hope you all understood operating system services. Thank you.